Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll be going over the differentiation of trigonometric functions. The basic thing that we must know about differentiation of trigonometric function is that the derivative of sine x is cos x. The complete derivation is given on this side, but as it is not part of our syllabus, so we don't have to go over it. So similarly, the derivative of cos x is negative sine x, and the derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now, if you have to differentiate a function of the form sine of ax plus b, we can differentiate it by using the chain rule. So let's say we write this whole function as y is equals to sine u, where u is equals to ax plus b. Now differentiating y with respect to u, so dy by du would become cos u, and the derivative of u with respect to x will become a. So the by dx can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dx. When we cancel the du out, we see that dy by dx remains. So this can be written as cos u multiplied by a, and we can simplify it down to write it put it as a cos u. And this method can be applied to the other two functions as well, cos x and tan x. Now let's have a look at a couple of examples. So if we have a question of the form y is equals to sine square x, it is always simpler to write sine squared x as sine x whole squared, like this. Now we have learned in AS that when we differentiate such a function, what we do is we want to multiply the power by the coefficient, which in this case is 1. So that will become 2 sine x, and we decrease the power by 1. So that will the sine x will become to the power 1, and we multiply the whole function by the derivative of the function which is inside the bracket. So the derivative of sine x is cos x. So the final answer will be written as 2 sine x cos x. So in this case, we have sine cube of 4x. So this can be written as sine 4x whole cubed. Now we multiply the power with the coefficient, which again in this case is 1. So this will become 3. We keep the sine 4x as it is, and we decrease the power by 1, which will become 2. And now the derivative of sine 4x. So we know that the derivative of a sine with is cos, so this will become cos 4x, and the derivative of 4x is 4, so we write the 4 over here, and then we can simplify it to write it as 12 sine squared 4x multiplied by cos 4x. In this case, this is an exact same case as the previous one. The only difference is the functions are a bit different, so we can write this as sine 2x plus 5, and we can put the power 4 up here. So when we again multiply 4 by the coefficient, this will become 4 sine of 2x plus 5. The power decreases by 1, so this will become a 3 up here, and the derivative of the function inside the bracket sine 2x plus 5 will become 2 cos of 2x plus 5. So we can simplify it down to write it as 8 sine cube of 2x plus 5 multiplied by cos of 2x plus 5. Now let's have a look at the differentiation of cos and tan functions. So again, we can write this cos squared 2x as cos 2x whole squared. We multiply the 2 up here, decrease the power by 1, and multiplied by the derivative of cos 2x. So we know that the derivative of cos is negative sine. So this will become negative sine 2x, and the derivative of 2x is 2. So we can write this as a negative 2 instead up here. So the simplified answer would be negative 4 cos 2x sine 2x. Differentiating cos cube 3x plus 3x minus 5 will be the exact same thing as we did with the sine function. So we can write this as cos of 3x minus 5 whole cube. So we multiply the 3, this will become 3 cos squared of 3x minus 5, and the derivative of cos 3x minus 5 is negative 3 sine of 3x minus 5. So this will be finally written as minus 9 cos squared of 3x minus 5 sine of 3x minus 5. Finally, the tan function, we know that the derivative of tan x is sec squared x. So we can write this as tan of 4x minus 3 whole squared. Now we multiply the 3 up here. So this will become 3 tan squared. We decrease the power by 1. 4x minus 3. And the derivative of tan of 4x minus 3 will become sec squared of 4x minus 3. And the derivative of 4x minus 3 is 4. So when we simplify this, this will become 12 tan squared 4x minus 3 sec squared 4x minus 3. And basically this is how the differentiation of trigonometric functions is done. In the next video, we'll be going over the differentiation of exponential functions. Thank you.